Well, welcome back to Senior Moves, the art of aging gracefully. I'm your host and guide, Storyman Mark Cater, and thank you for joining me again. Now, if you didn't do part one, because this is part two of Breathing is Freeing, you need to do part one first, because that lays the groundwork for what we're going to do now. So go ahead, click on the link that's right here, and that'll take you to the first part, and you can get started there, and then you can play this afterwards, yeah? So, let's not dilly-dally about, let's get to it as we link breath to motion in some simple movements that will take us through our shoulder girdle and just that idea of moving with breath. So focusing on your breath, sitting tall so you're not slouching. You may find that you'll be sitting more toward the front edge of the chair. And again, we're just going to try to experience the connection between breath and motion. So let your arms rest at your side, and we're going to do just a couple of simple actions to experience that sense. So when you inhale, we're just going to allow the arm to float, and when you exhale, allow the arm to come down. And let's just repeat the same arm a couple more times. Inhaling and exhaling. And if you think about some of the arm movements in Tai Chi, let's flip the hand like painting with a paintbrush. Again, inhaling up, exhaling down. And let's switch to the other arm. Inhaling up, exhaling. Ah, yes, it's delicious to move with your breath. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Let's try both arms at the same time. Again, just float them up with your breath. It doesn't require a lot of strength. Nice inhalation and exhalation. Good. Now let's just work the shoulders. So let's let the shoulders circle up and around. So you can inhale when they come up, exhale when they go down. And just play with the speed. You're going to find that when I work with different speeds and exploration. Other way. Inhaling, exhaling. And feel how the rib cage moves too. Good, and just lift one shoulder up and then the other shoulder and just kind of shake them out a little bit. Now let's take the arms wide to the side. Inhale, let the arms float. Exhale, let them come down. Again, inhale. We can turn the palms up. We can have the palms down. So as you move through range of motion in your shoulder, you want to see if you can keep the shoulder kind of moving rather than turning it all the way out, turning it all the way down, right? So again, trying to find a little bit of purpose, a little bit of sense of releasing through a range of motion, not all at once, but with a sense of fluidity and a sense of grace, if you will. Good, one last time. And then we're going to take the arms by our side, and we're just going to take a side stretch. So you can take your right arm and lift it right up by your ear, and then reach over to the side. And then inhale, let the arm lift. Exhale, let the arm come down. Let's repeat that. We'll inhale, take the arm up. Exhale to the side. Inhale, bring it up. And let's change to the other arm. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale to the side. Remember, you don't have to rush. You simply want to feel a sense of breath. Inhale when you come up. Exhale when you go over. Inhale when you come up. And exhale down. Now we're going to see if we can extend the inhalation through the whole action. So inhale, stretch all the way up. And then exhale, come all the way down. Repeating the same arm 2 more times. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. 1 more time. Inhale all the way up. Exhale over. Inhale up. And exhale down. Good. Other side. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. So you're moving maybe a little quicker, or you're simply taking longer on your inhale and moving at the same speed. And exhale. How does that feel to have that sense of dynamic connection, kinesthetic awareness? Now let's take both arms one more time up. Now at the front, at the top, let's bring the arms to the front. So we're going to just circle the arms around as we continue our shoulders. Inhaling and exhaling. One more time, inhaling and exhaling. Let's take the arms the other way. Inhaling up, exhaling down. One more time, inhaling up and exhaling down. So you should feel like your shoulders are all warmed up. Let's go ahead, bring an arm across, right, and you can reach your hand inside your elbow here and just stretch your shoulder. And then let's release, bring the other arm across, reach inside your elbow so you're not on your shoulder, but on your elbow here. And you're squeezing in here a little bit with your chest, and you're just trying to place the shoulder. So think about bone placement rather than trying to overstretch. Good. Nice, and let's release it, right? Okay, so let's take a little bit of twisting. So from here, we're just going to bring the fingers here, and we're just going to inhale one side, exhale the other side. And you can let your head go with what's going on. And you don't have to go fast. Now you want to feel as though your feet are grounded, right? And let's add a little bit of a reach across. Inhaling, exhaling. Now for an experiential change, let's change the focus on the breath. Exhale, and then inhale. Exhale, inhale. So what happened when you change your focus with your breath? The exhalation takes it into, for me, it takes it into my chest, and my back stretches a little bit. And that's kind of how our bodies work. When one side is contracting, the other side is stretching. And one last time, and let the arms come down. Well, I hope that gives you an idea of how you can work with your breath as we work on senior moves, the art of aging gracefully. And so there'll be the next session we're going to be doing, I'm going to switch all the way down to your feet, and we're going to discover your feet. And what do your feet look like, right? So, yeah. So thank you very much for watching, and I'm Storyman Mark. And if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and hit the notification button so you're notified when there are more lessons coming online. So thanks again very much for joining me today. Remember, breathing. It's all about life. It's all about moving through life with grace and senior moves. Have a wonderful day.